Hi everyone, welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Jessica Singh and I'm a UPSC Civil Services aspirant and I'm preparing for the civils of 2027. So in today's video we are going to be talking about nothing because I've not planned anything for today, because I just want to keep this thing unfiltered and I just want to speak my heart out here, and that's it. That's it. I don't want to have scripted things here, and I just want to be me here. So that's the reason why I'm documenting the whole thing. So yeah, welcome to my YouTube channel and my name is Jessica Singh. What I do here is I just document my UPSC Civil Services journey. Thank you. So basically I am documenting here my civil services journey, and in today's video we are just gonna give you guys an update of whatever I did yesterday. So first things first, I have completed my lecture yesterday, जो मैं बहुत ज़्यादा सोच रही थी करूँ ना करूँ, so I did it. And the second thing is that I've made my habits scorecard. So all of those who do not know what a habits scorecard is, you guys can go and check out my second video on this channel, and in that you can get a good idea of what that is. So that's it. But for today's video I just wanted to keep it very simple. Honestly, I was not even in a favor of making a video today because it gets boring and I did not want to make it boring for me or for the listeners who are actually listening to me. So in today's video we're just gonna talk about my experience and my background, and that's it. Very simple. So for today we are gonna talk about how I want, नहीं ये नहीं बताऊँगी आज, why I want to be. So let's get started first. So my name is Jessica Singh and I have graduated from Delhi University in BCom honors, and my college life was very fun and I loved it. But now the life that I'm having is completely opposite and it's just boring, maybe. I'm not sure, but whatever. So yeah, so I'm a BCom honors graduate from Delhi University and I started preparing for this exam last year sincerely, but I was enrolled in a 2-year course from a coaching, a very famous coaching, and honestly I think there were some benefits and some things that I lacked in that. So I would say that my proper preparation started after graduation only, and this is going to be my second year preparing. Like, I've just started with my second year preparing. I started my proper preparation in June 2025. So yes. So basically itna time is, I think, not enough to actually clear UPSC, but it is completely subjective. I'm no one to comment here, because if you have a good mentor, if you have someone who can actually guide you through this, if you are yourself very mature to know about this exam well, then I think you guys can crack it in your first attempt after just few months of preparation. But it was not possible for me, and I have learned things over time. I have learned myself over time. I have learned how this exam works over time. So that's what I'll be sharing on this. So yeah. So right now also I'm actually completing my GS Foundation course only, and my optional is anthropology, and I have also taken a course for that because I was not really sure about the subject, तो मुझे पता नहीं था कि कहाँ से पढ़ते हैं, कैसे पढ़ते हैं, and all of that. And by God's grace I've got a very good teacher for anthropology, and I will let you guys know about my course and my experience as well in the further upcoming videos. So today we are going to talk about why did I even give UPSC CSC 2026. एक तो पेपर ही इतना गंदा था, बट गंदा नहीं बोलूँगी, आई थिंक that is the standards. UPSC sets the standards, not us. We are nobody to complain that the exam is evolving or exam is unpredictable or whatever. We are literally nobody to rant here. We can rant, we can just say shit, but we are not UPSC, okay? So if the UPSC raises the standards, we also have to raise ourselves. That is what I think. And I'm not someone who will cry कि यार CSAT कितना मुश्किल था, यार GS कितना मुश्किल था. पढ़ना भाई पढ़ो यार. तो मेरी तो यही फ़िलॉसफी है, एंड आई हैव नॉट क्लियर्ड इन दिस अटैम्प्ट. सो मुझे तो यही पता है कि मेरी प्रेपरेशन ही नहीं थी इतनी ज़्यादा, एंड आई डू एक्नॉलेज दैट फैक्ट यार, क्योंकि मैंने ओवर टाइम चीज़ें सीखी हैं, मैंने बहुत स्लोली चीज़ें सीखी हैं, पर मैंने सीखी है इन दिस प्रेपरेशन, और मैं वही विजडम को अपने सेकेंड अटैम्प्ट में भी अप्लाई करना चाहूँगी एंड सबसे शेयर भी करूँगी. सो दिस इज़ वॉट माई थिंकिंग इज़. But talking about the aftermath, so the aftermath or the results of UPSC Civil Services prelims. पहली बात तो मेरे घर, आई लिव इन अ जॉइंट फैमिली, मैं दूसरी बार बता रही हूँ इधर, एंड मेरे घर में सबको पता है दैट आई एम प्रिपेयरिंग फॉर दिस एग्ज़ाम, एंड मेरे एग्ज़ाम कब है, मैं कब कहाँ जा रही हूँ, मेरा एग्ज़ाम कितना, all that shit. Nobody would know about what UPSC is, what kind of posts it offers. Everyone knows about IAS, but nobody knows about the hardship it has, okay, except for your parents. So yeah, the results. Although I was very logically, in my logic I had failed already even before giving the prelims, क्योंकि सी माई मेन मोटिव वॉज कि मेरे को पेपर देना है तो मुझे बहुत कॉन्फिडेंस से देना है, एंड आई जस्ट हैव टू मार्क वॉट एवर आई नो इन दिस पेपर. सो आई वॉज लुकिंग एट द पेपर, लुकिंग मुझे कुछ आ ही नहीं रहा था ढंग से. कुछ जो आ रहा था, थोड़ा बहुत मैंने ज्योग्राफी थोड़ी अच्छे से पढ़ी थी तो मैंने वही क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करे पहले, एंड देन आई वॉज एक्चुअली एवरीवन वाज लाइक, ये एथिक्स के क्वेश्चंस कहाँ से आ गए, अकाउंटेबिलिटी ये सब कहाँ से आ रहा है. बट आई थिंक इट वाज अ ब्लेसिंग इन डिस्गाइज फॉर मी एट दैट मोमेंट. मुझे तो बहुत पसंद आए वो क्वेश्चंस, एंड आई थिंक ऐसे क्वेश्चंस और आने भी चाहिए, क्योंकि दे वर एक्चुअली गुड. इवन इफ़ यू आर नॉट, मैंने तो एथिक्स ऑनेस्टली नहीं पढ़ा था, पर अगर तुम ऐसे हो भी कि जिसने एथिक्स नहीं पढ़ा है, या फिर तुम्हारे पास एक बैचलर्स डिग्री है, तो तुम वो क्वेश्चन सॉल्व कर सकते हो बहुत आराम से. तो मुझे तो वो क्वेश्चंस ब्लेसिंग इन डिस्गाइज ही लगे. पर येस, नाउ मूविंग ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट थिंग, दैट इज़ रिजल्ट्स. सो इन माई माइंड आई वॉज श्योर दैट आई एम नॉट गोना क्लियर इट, बट you know, when the results come out and then everybody's like, कैसा रहा result? And especially if you are living in an Indian household, everyone will be like, पूरे साल तुम्हें एक acknowledgement का, एक all the best, एक how are you doing, एक I hope you're doing fine, all the best, कुछ भी नहीं आएगा. पर रिज़ल्ट से पहले, रिज़ल्ट के बाद तुम्हें एक मैसेज तो आ ही जाएगा दैट कैसा था रिज़ल्ट, हुआ कि नहीं इस बार. देखो, अब मैं उनके मुंह को, या फिर आई कैन नॉट रियली कंट्रोल देम, राइट? सो ऑल आई हैव इज़ कंट्रोल ओवर माई इमोशंस. एंड ऑनेस्टली सेइंग गाइज, if anybody of you is in this preparation, you guys would definitely relate here, that whenever you tell the other person your results, like 50% or more than 50% of your relatives whom you think are your closest relatives would actually be reacting to it in a very absurd manner that you will not even like. So this has happened with me, and I cannot unsee the faces of the people whom I've told my result to, and they have haunted me for days. So yeah, many of the people will actually joke about it, many of them will say shit, but you know what, do not take anybody seriously who has not sat for this paper. Don't take them seriously. Only take your mentors, your parents, or someone who has actually written mains seriously. Not anyone in this world. Don't take them seriously. So this is what I have learned, and yeah, I literally cannot it was a very traumatic experience, I would say, and I'm here telling it so lightly, but still, like, it has haunted me a lot for good number of days. And now that I'm back at it, मुझे लगता है कि had I been at their places, I would have reacted very differently to the situation. But you cannot control that, and honestly now I just don't even feel like sitting in social gatherings anymore, because the social gatherings are not about Jessica, they're just about UPSC aspirant Jessica. So I honestly do not like being in those social gatherings, and I avoid them now. And I think if any one of you is also going through the same, just avoid it and keep your self sane, okay? And yeah, I think that's it for this video. And मेरे को ब्रीफ ही देना था तो मैं सब कुछ बता ही दिया ऑलमोस्ट. सो या, bye bye, see you guys in the next one.